Listen up. If you're someone who always finds a reason to skip breakfast, this is your wake-up call. I know mornings can be hectic. Maybe you're rushing to get ready for work, getting the kids out the door, or just trying to squeeze in a few more minutes of sleep. But let's be honest, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's time to stop treating it like an afterthought. You say you don't have time for breakfast, but you've got time to scroll your phone? Nonsense. Think about it. How many minutes do you spend every morning checking notifications, scrolling through social media, or watching random videos? Those precious minutes could be used to fuel your body with something nutritious and energizing. It's not about having time, it's about making time for what matters. Today, we end the excuses. No more blaming your schedule, your energy, or your lack of cooking skills. If you can operate a phone, you can make breakfast. It's that simple. We're going to break the cycle of skipping meals and reaching for junk food just because it's convenient. You deserve better, and your body deserves better. I'm showing you 7 high-protein breakfasts you can make in under 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Just 10 minutes. These recipes are designed for real life, for real people with real schedules. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or a parent on the go, you'll find something here that fits your morning routine. These are quick, delicious, and will power you through your day. Imagine starting your morning with a meal that not only tastes amazing, but also keeps you full and focused until lunch. No more mid-morning crashes, no more cravings for sugary snacks, just real food, real energy, and real results. No more skipping breakfast or grabbing sugary junk. It's time to ditch the donuts, say goodbye to those empty-calorie pastries, and make a choice that supports your goals. You don't have to sacrifice flavor or satisfaction. These breakfasts prove you can have both. Get your pans ready. Let's get cooking. Grab your favorite spatula, heat up that pan, and get ready to transform your mornings. Cooking breakfast doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. In fact, it can be the best part of your day. First up, a breakfast so simple anyone can make it, but elegant enough for a restaurant. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned home chef, you'll be amazed at how easy and satisfying these recipes are. So, let's put those excuses to rest and start making breakfast a priority. Your day and your body will thank you. Welcome to our first recipe, Greek yogurt parfait, a breakfast that's as beautiful as it is nourishing. This dish is all about simplicity, elegance, and a burst of fresh flavors to start your day right. Whether you're preparing breakfast for yourself or looking to impress guests with a healthy treat, this parfait is the perfect choice. Begin by grabbing a clear glass, which lets you showcase all the gorgeous layers. Spoon in a generous amount of thick, full-fat Greek yogurt. The creaminess of the yogurt forms the base of your parfait, providing a rich texture and a boost of protein to keep you satisfied all morning. Greek yogurt is not only delicious, but it's also packed with probiotics that are great for your gut health. Next, add a handful of fresh berries. Choose a mix of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries. Whatever is in season or your personal favorite. The berries add a pop of color, a touch of tartness, and a wealth of antioxidants and vitamins. Their natural sweetness pairs perfectly with the tangy yogurt. Now sprinkle on a layer of quality, low-sugar granola. This adds a satisfying crunch and a bit of extra protein and fiber. Look for granola with whole grains and nuts for even more nutrition. The contrast between the creamy yogurt, juicy berries, and crunchy granola makes every bite interesting. Repeat these layers, yogurt, berries, granola, until your glass is full or you've reached your desired portion size. Each layer builds on the last, creating a beautiful, colorful pattern that's almost too pretty to eat. For a touch of natural sweetness, finish with a light drizzle of honey. This step is optional, but a little honey can enhance the flavors without overpowering the freshness of the fruit. Remember, a small amount goes a long way, just enough to bring everything together. And there you have it. In just about 3 minutes, you've created a stunning, protein-packed breakfast that looks as good as it tastes. Enjoy it at home or take it on the go for a quick, nutritious start to your day. Let's move on to our next delicious recipe. Next, creamy scrambled eggs with spinach and feta. Crack 3 eggs, season and whisk until frothy. Cook gently in butter over medium-low heat, stirring slowly. When nearly set, fold in fresh spinach to wilt. Crumble in feta for a salty, tangy kick. Serve immediately, creamy, glossy and packed with protein. 5 minutes, and you've got a breakfast of champions. Don't mess it up. Toast, but done right. Use thick-cut whole grain or sourdough, toasted golden. Spread with 100% natural peanut butter while hot. Top with ripe banana slices. Sprinkle chia or flax seeds for extra protein and crunch. It's balanced, filling, and takes 2 minutes to assemble. Smart cooking is about good ingredients, not time spent. No more excuses. Get it done. Cottage cheese, don't knock it. Use full-fat cottage cheese for creaminess and protein. Add fresh pineapple chunks for sweetness and zing. Gently fold together, keeping the texture. Top with chopped walnuts or pecans for crunch and healthy fats. Optional, a sprinkle of cinnamon or coconut. 2 minutes, and you've got a refreshing, filling breakfast. Give it a try. Oatmeal doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be a delightful and nutritious start to your day. Imagine waking up to a warm, inviting bowl of oatmeal that not only satisfies your hunger, but also excites your taste buds. Use rolled oats, cooked with milk for creaminess. The key to transforming your oatmeal lies in the ingredients and the method. Start by choosing high-quality rolled oats. When cooked with milk, they become creamy and rich, providing a comforting base for your breakfast. Mix protein powder with a splash of milk to make a paste, then stir into hot oats. This simple addition not only boosts the protein content, but also enhances the texture, making your oatmeal more satisfying and filling. Add cinnamon, berries, or a swirl of nut butter for flavor. These ingredients not only add a burst of flavor, but also bring in a variety of nutrients. Cinnamon adds warmth and spice, while fresh berries provide a sweet and tangy contrast. A drizzle of nut butter introduces a rich, nutty flavor that complements the oats perfectly. Top with nuts, seeds, or banana for texture and nutrients. The crunch of nuts and seeds adds an exciting texture, while bananas offer natural sweetness and additional vitamins. These toppings not only make your oatmeal more visually appealing but also enhance its nutritional profile. In under 10 minutes, you've got a creamy, high-protein breakfast. This quick preparation means you can enjoy a wholesome meal even on the busiest of mornings. With just a few simple steps, you can create a breakfast that fuels your body and keeps you energized throughout the day. It'll keep you full for hours. Now get to it. Embrace the versatility of oatmeal and make it your own. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, the possibilities are endless. So, why settle for boring when you can have a breakfast that's both delicious and nourishing? Start your day right with a bowl of reinvented oatmeal. For a savory start, smoked salmon and avocado on rice cakes. Mash ripe avocado with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Spread generously on brown rice cakes. Top with quality smoked salmon, arranged nicely. Finish with dill, capers, or everything bagel seasoning. 2 or 3 of these make a perfect, protein-rich breakfast. Fast, elegant, and full of healthy fats. Stop making excuses. Make breakfast properly. Last up, the breakfast burrito. Warm a whole wheat tortilla. Scramble 2 eggs. Add rinsed black beans for protein and fiber. Spoon onto the tortilla. Add cheese and salsa. Roll it up tight. Practice makes perfect. 5 minutes and you've got a hot, hearty, grab-and-go breakfast. No more excuses. Get in the kitchen. That's it. 7 high-protein breakfasts, all under 10 minutes. No more skipping meals or grabbing junk. I've shown you how simple it is. Now it's your turn. Let me know which one you'll try first in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more no-nonsense recipes. Now turn off the screen and go cook something delicious.